Okay, so let's look at prepositional phrases. Very good. Okay, so there are words, prepositions that combine with other words to create a phrase that means something, that talks about where things are and how things are related, the clauses, how they're related within a sentence. So we could say, get along with. Get along with. Get along with, like on friendly terms. So get along with them. Pronoun. Get along with them. Get along with it. Get along with us. Get along together. Okay. So because of that, because of the dancing, verb, because of them. Get along with the class. Because of the dancing, there's a lot of noise. Get along with them and you'll be fine. Be fine. A lot of noise. A lot of noise. Instead of, that one. Instead of, like I want that, so you can have this. Instead of the answer, a noun, we're going off track. Instead of dancing, we are talking, verb. Instead of them, you should speak to him, pronoun. Instead of walking, you need to be running, not walking, running. Instead of dancing, instead of painting, you need to be cleaning. Instead of cleaning, you need to be painting, and beyond. Then we have close to. Close to. I am close to the answer. I am close to the city. I am close to you. I am close to finishing the course. I am close to writing the book. Yeah. Away from. We are going away. We're going away from the wall, away from the door, away from the city. Get away from the car, get away from her, get away from her. And onto, we are going onto the roof. Going onto the road, we're going onto the road. We're going onto party, not quite. We're going on to. We're going onto the sea. No, we're going on to. We keep going onto the road, then go left. We want to go onto the main road. We want to go onto the country road. We want to go onto the floor. It wants to go onto the desk. Yes, I need to write the answer onto. I'm going to write the answer on onto. Yeah, okay, onto the road. Onto the road. Away from here. Get away from here. Close to it. Close to the answer. Very nice. So we can use prepositions with other words to create a phrase, and that phrase helps to explain where things are and how the clauses relate to one another. How cool is that? It's useful because of how English is structured. So you can make, again, smaller sentences using fewer words so you have the same meaning, instead of using a lot of words to explain and talk and talk and talk and talk. That way you get close to explaining your point and sharing your thoughts in English. How cool is that? Let's keep going.